Hello guys, I'm Julius from Viz Mosart Pre-Sales, and today I want to show you another cool feature in Viz Mosart. Let's have a look at the GUI. Maybe you've seen these L2 buttons over here and ever wondered what they are for, right? So let's have a look in the template editor and I'll show you what I mean. They are basically here to define level 2 audio. So every audio fader in Mosart can have 2 levels assigned to it. So let's go for a voiceover template. In the voiceover template here, you see we have a channel 1, which is my anchor probably, and then we have the ripple audio from the video server. And when we start the template, we have the anchor talking at 0 dB and the video clip is running at -50 dB. Now, if I press the shift button, I can just adjust my level 2 audio. You see it says level 2, and I can bring my anchor down and I can bring my voiceover up. So pressing shift again, you see my level 2 is going up now. Let me save that template. I go over, play my clip. So and now when I press level 2 on air, it would trigger the action on air and toggle between these 2 actions. Let me show you how that looks like in my audio mixer. Level 2 disabled, level 2 enabled. So here you barely can hear my clip running. Here you see it's running, and that's really powerful when it comes to voiceovers, external feeds, or wherever you have 2 different audio levels that you want to use. If you have any more questions about this, just reach out to me and we can discuss.